Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new video. It is TheDevKing here, and in today's video, I'm going to be commissioning someone for $1 versus someone for $100 to make a Roblox game. Now this is going to be pretty interesting, right? Because obviously there's a big difference between $1 and $100, but is there going to be a difference in the game of the quality of the game that we're going to see today? And that is the question that I'm trying to find out. Alright, now I'm going to be honest, I don't know if I'll be able to do a game for $1. $1 is a bit too low, to be honest. You're not going to get anything good for that. So I'm going to do something like $10. I feel like that's fair. That's not too much. Obviously, a lot less than $100, and it'll still give us a valid point. Alright, so I'm on Fiverr. You guys probably heard of it before, but basically it's a place where you can commission people to do stuff, really anything. But I looked up Roblox game, and as you can see, we got a lot of different people trying to make a Roblox game for me, okay? So this guy said I would develop a Roblox game for you, but that's $40, so we can't do him. I would develop a professional Roblox game map and scripter for you, but he has an Alvin Blocks thumbnail. Like, he just took that off of YouTube, bro. What? Alright, so I found one guy right here. He says I will develop a Roblox game for you. He says $100 right here, as you can see. He has 2 reviews with the 4.3 stars, and his games don't look bad. It looks pretty nice to build there, and his like little avatar animation, I like it. It looks pretty cool. I feel like that'll work for what we have to do. So yeah, this will be the $100 guy. I think it'll be good enough for this, so I'm gonna talk to him in a second. But let me find the $10 guy first. This guy said I will sell you my Roblox game. He's just selling his Roblox game to like multiple people. What the heck? Alright, so it took me a while to find someone, but I actually found someone for $10. Now they could do it for $5, but I think it's gonna be a little bit too basic, and I feel like $5 is way too low. So I'll do $10, and that'll have everything we need for it, I'm pretty sure. Literally nobody want to make a game for $10, so I'm glad we found this guy, and he looks pretty nice. I like his profile picture. You know, seems legit. He doesn't have any reviews, but I don't think it really matters. I think $10 is $10, so we'll see what he does. He even says he'll make a Discord server for you, so that sounds pretty cool. Not sure if that'll work, but yeah. Alright, so I found these 2 guys right here. What I'm going to do right now is go ahead and commission them both, and I'm going to give them the same exact prompt for the game. That we have no different variables for the project, you know what I mean? Alright, so as you can see right here, this is a pretty simple game idea, but here's what it is. So I don't want to make it too complicated, right? Obviously, because we have a $10 game, but I also don't want to make it too basic because, you know, we're hiring a $100 guy as well, but I got to do something that both of them can do for a reasonable amount of money, okay? So basically, the idea is a simple last man standing sword fighting game. So basically a sword fighting game with the basic sword mechanics, but it's last man standing, and there's like different rounds, and we'll have like a max number of players, and people fight to the death, and the last one standing wins and gets some coins. So I wrote out some pretty basic stuff that I have to do, like as you can see, create a lobby, create an arena where the sword fights go down, and then sword fight matches last 60 seconds, and then you can change it up if you want to. Then if everyone dies before 60 seconds is up, then there's obviously a winner, and it shows out on the screen. And then also a quick leaderboard to show the top coin holders, and the coins you'll get from killing people and also winning the sword fight matches. So yeah, I feel like it's pretty simple, not too bad for $10 guy, also not too bad for $100 guy, but I want to see the difference in quality between these games, right? I mean, I'm actually pretty excited, honestly. Alright, so I have the entire message here. I'm just gonna copy and paste it to both of them, so I'll just put the name of them. I'll be like, hello blank, and then I'll be like, thank you so much, I'm excited to see the commission. And I'll send them this exact thing right here, which is pretty good. So yeah, I'm excited. Alright, let me go ahead and pay these guys now. The $10 guy is only gonna take 2 days apparently, and then the $100 guys are gonna take 4 days. So it's not too bad. Alright, so I wasn't gonna leave my credit card in for you guys. Sorry, not this time. But basically, as you can see here, it says thank you for the purchase, and then I'm gonna go ahead and submit all the requirements for my order right here. So I already put it all there. Hello, AZ Games. And then you ask for my Discord username and then also my Roblox username. So yeah, and then there we go. I sent all that stuff, and now we go ahead and hit start order, and boom. Alright, perfect. So that's submitted and on the way. Now we'll go ahead and hire the $100 guy. This one's going to be expensive, alright, so it might hurt me a little bit to do it, but we'll be okay, Alright, so the $100 guy right here, as you can see, it's him. We're going to continue checkout. Alright, so as you can see, I purchased the $100 one. As you can see right here, it says price $100, but it says right here too, it says talk to me before ordering. I didn't talk to him before ordering, so that's awkward, but hopefully he doesn't scam me, alright. I think I'll be fine, but I'm going to go ahead and paste that message here, and hopefully he understands what that means. He can always message me if he needs to, so it'll be good. Alright, perfect. So I got that sent right there. We're going to hit start order again, and we should be good. Alright, boom, that's submitted too. So now I'm going to wait for you guys to respond. Maybe they'll respond with a message, or maybe they'll respond with the game, who knows, but I'm going to go ahead and wait however long, and I'll see you guys when they respond, or we have some progress. I'm excited. This is going to be very interesting, to say the least. Alright, so it has been a few days, and I'm not going to lie, it's been a lot of stuff has happened lately, okay, so we got a big update to go through here, okay. So one, the game is done. The $100 game is done, and it was delivered on time. The $10 game was not done, and it's still not done, and it's not delivered on time. So kind of a bummer, but I mean, I guess when you pay $10 for a game, what do you expect? But anyways, I'm gonna go and show you guys what happened between me and the $100 guy, and then we'll go on and talk about the $10 guy. So the day after I submitted the game for this guy, he didn't know how to add a feature where basically the round skips when everyone dies. And he's like, can I do something instead for it? He's like, a shop for swords, and I was like, nah, not really. I kind of want what I asked for, right? And he was like, okay, I can do that. And then he says the leaderboard is destroying the cash leader stats. So if I make the leaderboard, you won't see how much cash you have left. So I don't know what he's talking about, honestly, but he can't do what I asked him, which I feel like is pretty simple for $100. But you know what I mean? It is what it is. But yeah. So anyways, he says I sent in the game. I saw it. He did send it to me. I had a link to it, and I can edit it so I can go in the studio for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark the order as complete here in a second. And he also says you can give me a rating, blah blah blah. And I was like, he's like, so what do you think? I didn't check it out yet because I don't want to spoil it yet. I want to wait for this $10 game first, and then I'll check out the $100 one. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark his order as complete though, just so I can finish this guy's order for him. I don't want to have him waiting or whatever. All right. So as you can see, I approved delivery. There we go. Yes, I approved delivery. Alright, and boom, that was submitted. Now, it says the product took 5 days and cost $105. How satisfied are you? I don't know. I'm going to skip that for now, but maybe we'll come back in the end and finish this out. Anyways, so basically, this guy was supposed to get the game done. He had like 4 days to do it, or something like that, and then he wants to extend it now another 4 days, and the reason is he doesn't have enough time to do so. Issues with life. So, I'm not sure what the issue is, honestly, but I wasn't going to complain because I'm only paying $10 for a game, to be fair. And also, this is kind of part of the challenge, you know what I mean? It's a $10 game versus a $100 game, so we'll see the difference between what we get in the game and also in the service, you know what I mean? This is a little bit delayed, so that's part of the service. It wasn't as good. And like I said, it's only $10, so I can't expect too much from it. But anyways, that's that. I'm going to wait until we get this game done, and then we'll go ahead and check out both games. I'm actually really excited to see the difference between these two. I'm not going to lie, I looked at the $100 game for a second, I opened it, and it didn't look too promising. I'm not going to lie. And also the guy and his scripting abilities didn't seem the best, how he was saying he couldn't do certain things. But it is what it is. We'll see what happens in a little bit here. All right, I'll be back whenever this guy gets his game done, hopefully soon. If he delays it again, I'll probably have to find someone else, bro, because I'm not going to wait 2 weeks for a game. All right, guys, so I'm finally back. Now, it has been like literally like almost 2 weeks since I ordered these games, okay? Now, the first one was done in 3 days, the $100 one, so I'm glad with that. Although I haven't checked it out yet, we're about to check it out here in a second. But the $10 one literally only was completed yesterday. That took 2 weeks, and it said 3 days. Anyways, who cares? It was $10, right? That's what we got to think about. Now, I'm not going to tell you everything that happened because there's way too much talking, but basically, this guy made me add him on a whole different platform. He made me add him on Discord, and then he was asking me all kind of questions about the game, and then he was asking me to verify my Roblox account for some reason. I'm so confused on why, but I did, and then I added him, and he was like, wait a minute. Are you the TheDevKing? He goes, I'm one of your biggest fans on YouTube, so obviously thank you so much. But he was taking quite a while, and I paid him for what he said he would do. He did it. I don't know. We're about to see if it works, but I don't know if he did a good job. But anyways, here we go. He took a while, is all I'm trying to say. Then a couple days later, he DM'd me saying he couldn't do some stuff, so I was like, okay, whatever, no big deal. And I'm just like, send me what you have. It's been way too long, and we can move on from this, and I'll be happy. Because at the end of the day, I don't really care how good the game is. I'm really only doing this to see the actual quality of the game and what we're going to get. I'm not trying to influence them too much to do anything because I'm trying to see if you guys were to do this, what would you get from it? You know what I mean? Okay, so anyways, here is the $10 game, okay? On first glance, the map looks okay, all right? It doesn't look that bad. There's like a safe zone, a leaderboard. I'm not sure if it works. We're going to find out here in a second, but we have that. That's kind of cool, I guess. And we have a few scripts. Looks like a leader stats script, some data store, and I don't know what this is. All right, anyways, we're going to go ahead and hit play and see how this game works. I don't want to assume the worst here, but okay. We already have a lot of errors, okay. Okay, so you spawn in and the snowman is dying. I'm not sure why that's happening. Okay, I have admin. It's kind of cool, I guess. I have a time leader stat. I didn't ask for that. Hey, but he got creative, I guess, right? We do have the sword. Which this shouldn't have been too hard. It is a free model, so you know I was asking for that though. Let me get that clear. I was asking for that. The leaderboard does not seem to work, although I didn't publish it. So let me actually try running his game that he has and see if that works. Okay, do the leader stats work in here? Let's see. Okay, the leaderboard. Oh, the leaderboard does work. Okay, so I have to actually publish it. I'm not going to do it right now because I don't really care too much to do it. But we have a leaderboard that works, but for some reason it's showing the time. I don't know why it's showing that. I never asked for that. But that's cool, I guess. The safe zone seems to work too. That's kind of cool. I didn't ask for that either, but you know, safe zones are cool. I like that. I was asking more for like an arena thing, like a round based thing, but He gave me this. Okay, I was actually waiting for this. Thankfully, someone joined my game. Shout out to these fans right here. But I want to see what their opinion on the game. Okay, I want to say, was this worth $10? Okay, he's just freaking out. He said, "Oh my god, am big." Hashtag. Please pick. Okay. Okay. Hey, don't kill me, bro. Don't kill me. Okay, actually, you know what? Fine, let's fight. You want to fight, bro? You like an Among Us character? All right, let's go. Yo, he's actually good. Oh, sorry, bro. Sorry. Oh, okay, I got them both. All right, well, that's for this game. Honestly, not much else to see. I'm going to take a picture of these guys, and I'm going to join you in the next game here in a second. All right, so now it is time for the $10 game, guys. Here we go. I'm opening it up. It is approximately 191 kilobytes, which is tiny, but who cares? It doesn't matter. Here we go. Let's see what happens. Okay, so not looking too bad. We have like a health bar at the bottom, which is kind of cool. Obviously, it seems like you put more work in than the $10 game, which is nice. We have like a camera button. Not sure what that does. Shop button. And a status. I don't know what's going on here, but let's go ahead and play and see what happens. Oh, and no errors actually. Okay, cool. So intermission, 5 seconds. Health infinite, because I think we're in an intermission. That's cool. All right, let's wait a little bit, see what happens. I like how we walk fast too. It's actually kind of nice. Choosing map. Oh, there's multiple maps. Yo, this is actually kind of cool. I like this. Map chosen, teleporting players. Okay, we're teleporting, I guess. Hopefully that works. Please work. Please work. Oh, yo, this map is sick. Yo, wait a minute. Hold on. I want to make my screen bigger. Okay, hold on. This map is actually sick for some reason. I don't know why, but I love it. Like, it's huge. Okay, well, obviously there's no one else in the game, so I'm gonna go ahead and publish this and let someone join me. Okay, I joined the actual game so we can actually have people join me and have a sword fight, but I'm not gonna lie, so far this game is actually pretty cool. A lot better than the $10 one, I won't lie. I wanna actually play it though and see what happens. I'm not gonna lie, I wouldn't say so far it's worth $100, but definitely a pretty good quality game. You can tell he put a little more effort in this than the $10 game. Well, someone joined again. Hello, Tap. I am a big fan. Okay, bro, I know. But we're going to fight here in a second. Let me check out the shop too while I'm at it. Okay, so we got Ultimate Sword. Purchase $100. So let's see how that works. Oh, wait, I don't have any cash. Never mind. What's this? There's like a picture button. Oh, you can spectate. Yo, that's sick. I didn't even ask for that either. What, yo, see, like, this is what I like. He went above and beyond the features. I didn't even ask for that, and he did it. Pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, Naruto joined. Yo, I'm about to have a sword fight with you, bro. He said, please screen. I said, we are about to fight to the death. Okay, yo, we have a whole party in here. Hey, yo, this guy has the merch. Oh, no, that's Stinker merch. Okay, I'm gonna cry. I thought he had my shirt on. Oh, yo, this guy's crazy. Among Us character. Oh, why did they all go for me? Chill out, guys. Wait, why did I get a kill? I did not kill anyone. Whatever. All right, come on. Oh, yo, you actually take damage. I like that. You're gonna die. Yo, no. Oh, I thought I almost lost. I had 40 HP. Okay, I won. I got 2 kills, 700. Okay, it didn't end, actually. Dang it. He said he couldn't do that. I'm not even that mad, honestly. He tried his best. You know, he didn't know how to script that yet, which is fine. It's kind of difficult to do. You'd have to make every player in a table, and then when they all die, you could check the table, right? Every turn someone dies to see if they all died. And then you'd basically end the loop there and break the function. But he didn't know how to do that. It's fine. I understand. You know what I mean? It's a little bit complex to do at first. I don't know why I explained that to do that. That's some nerdy stuff. My bad, guys. I'm kind of a nerd. I'm going to give this guy a rating, and I'm going to give it a $10 guy rating, okay? All right. I hate to root and give him a 3 out of 10, right? But I'm sorry, but this game should not have taken that long. This literally could have took 10 minutes. I'm sorry. It could have, bro. The walls are just parts. I don't know why there's like more like little sections between them. Maybe they did it on purpose, but the walls are just parts, right? Nothing too crazy. The trees are obviously free modeled. It doesn't matter. I don't care that much, right? It's just a map. But the thing is, he made me wait like 2 weeks for this, dude. Like, that was the biggest thing, I guess. I mean, look, if he would have told me it took 2 weeks and then it took 2 weeks, I understand. But I expected it in 3 days and it took 2 weeks. Anyways, I'm going on a tangent here. It is what it is. Not the best quality either, so I'm gonna give him a 3 out of 10. But I like how he didn't make a safe zone. It's kind of a cool feature. I asked for rounds, but you know, he did that, which is kind of cool, I guess. Now this game, it was $100, so obviously I'd expect a little bit more, but it was actually pretty good too. I liked it. There's like a choosing map little thing right here. You have your health bar at the bottom so you can see that better, more clearly. You have a shop. Let me buy the sword actually, by the way. So I have enough money, I think. Purchase. And Yo, this sword sparkles. Look at that. That's sick. Okay, one little thing he did wrong is he made it so we all spawn in each other whenever we teleport. So we're kind of all dying like immediately. But low-key, this is actually pretty sick. I think I'm gonna publish this one and let you guys play it if you want to. So this one gets an 8 out of 10 for me. Obviously, you know, nothing too crazy, but he did what I said. Besides the whenever you kill everyone, you teleport back to the spawn. But pretty good at the end of the day. Good job on him. Honestly, though, I still wouldn't pay $100 for a Roblox game. It's kind of weird. If I was making a Roblox game with $100, I'd just hire people separately and make more sense at the end of the day. Anyways, guys, that is the end of the video. I'm not going to take too much of your time, but this is what you get if you spend $10 versus $100 on a Roblox game. And like I said, I don't know if I'd do that all at once. I probably wouldn't do this ever again. This is just for the video. Now you guys know what you get for your money. Anyways, be sure to subscribe if you want more Roblox development related videos just like this one. And also leave a like if you enjoyed the video. It helps out a lot. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.